Hello dear community, welcome to the channel. I'm Bree. I'm a practitioner and teacher of zhineng Qigong, a clear system for healing and self-mastery. Zhineng means wisdom abilities, a way to practice the dormant function of this aspect of self through practicing paranormal experiments. The findings of my paranormal experiments are too big and amazing to just keep to myself. So I started this channel to open hearts and minds and to encourage other practitioners on the path of evolvement. If you have been watching my content, please do click subscribe so the channel may continue and grow. And I love receiving your comments and messages. Thank you. I was practicing a classic zhineng Qigong scientific experiment with a fellow zhineng teacher last night in our regular practice. It's where we take a leaf and we cut it. Then from a deep Qigong state, we send Qi and information for the cut to heal and merge back together. Similar to the classic cucumber experiment, I've shared some experiments that have been successful and completely defy the so-called current laws of physics. Thankfully, we have a more culturally evolved perspective emerging through the study of quantum physics. Coming back to last night's experiment, I had only half success with it. And I thought it's a really nice experiment. I'm going to wait till I practice again and I have complete success. I'll make a video and share it on the channel. But then the thought came, no, I don't want to give the wrong impression. I don't want to give the impression that I'm some special gifted person who can do continual paranormal abilities at will all the time, all day long. I want to give the full picture. Sometimes things work, sometimes they don't. When they work, it's so interesting. When they don't work, it's so interesting. It's all about looking at the variable, the endless variables, but mainly the state of consciousness that you were in during the experiment and overall throughout the day, the time and period of your life, perhaps. There are smaller variables, the food you ate, things like that, but really it's that state of consciousness, how abundant the Qi is, and how well it's flowing, and how deeply you are merged with a state of not body, not mind. And what's very important, in my opinion, is that we practice regardless of our state. I would never make the excuse, I'm not going to practice because my state's not good and I won't have success. Practice even when your state is not good. You still learn and you're training yourself to bring yourself to that state and to maintain that state in daily life. So I'm sure I probably will make a nice leaf repair video sometime where I have full success. But today I share with you the full picture. Here is the leaf from the experiment last night. I'd cut it from edge to center with scissors. The bottom half of the slit merged together, but the top half stayed apart. When trying this experiment, make sure you have a leaf thick enough, not a really soft one that's going to fall apart easily. and not one that's just going to curl up. So this type of leaf is good to try your experiment. If you're new to all of this, I remind you of the very famous rice experiment or water experiment from Dr. Emoto, where he scientifically recorded a hate plant and a love plant of rice sprouting, I think it was. I could have the wrong crop, but there were so many repeated experiments all over the world after this beautiful experiment was made public, where people sent one plant love and the other plant hate. One went moldy, the hate one went moldy, and the love one sprouted. Same with water. Water crystals were shown under microscope, the ones subjected to violent music and the ones subjected to even symphonies. And the difference was really obvious of which held a more beautiful, even vibration. So it's not so unbelievable, all is possible. And to those deep into this realm, if you haven't tried this experiment, it's a great one. Try it weekly. See how it works according to what's going on in your life, how strongly you send the information, how deeply focused and in balance you are at the time. I share with you now the experiment. Enjoy. Haola. I've got a few variety for the scientific experiment. I'm going to go along the vein here. It smells beautiful. Finding our upright posture. Vision is inside. Eyelids softly closed. Connecting to the empty space in the center of the head. Together we are the vastness. Together our intention is amplified. Calm mind, expanding out to infinite universe. We half open the gaze. We choose the object or objects. I'm going to line mine up together. And we hover our palms above the objects and we rotate. Rotating 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Haola. We send Qi, massaging the Qi, sending Qi to instantaneously Hunyuan Ling Tong state, Haola state. beyond space and time state. Massage, we send, we rotate, sending chi to repair the leaf that was cut. And we can silently send the chi and connect with the information that the leaf is more whole now than it was previously. And one ling tong. Fully repaired. Haola. Fully repaired. Fully repaired. Haola. Fully repaired. Haola. Feeling this beautiful state and sharing outwardly with all. Rubbing our hands together and have a beautiful face massage.
Thank you.
So we check on it when it feels right.
Yeah.
So, having a look at our leaves of these ones just curled up. This one got very limp. It was so soft. This really soft weed. Hold. This leaf, nice and thick. Okay, really nice and thick one. Stayed intact, the leaf itself. Now, can you see the split?
Yes.
Okay, so half of it healed and half of it didn't. Let me see if I can.
It's sort of, yeah, it's a little bit out of focus, but I can see the slit.
Okay.
Yeah.
So see the, I'm gonna.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, now, hang on. Yes, I can see. Yeah. So at the top, it's not sealed. And further down it has.
Let me just photo adjust.
Yeah.
So yeah, that, as you can see, that line, it is sealed, and then the top part, it's the top part not. So half success with that one.
Yeah, wonderful.